Hi guys, Nick here, and today I got all the Blu-ray and DVD in unboxing video. And first I'm going to be unboxing a movie that I got on Easter, and one of the movies, which is Disney's The Rescuers, a 2-film collection. And I might watch this movie at some point. And if you guys want to see a reaction video to this, and the second Rescuers movie, you can let me know down in the comments below. I might do a reaction video to it after I get the new tables in my day room. And I don't know anything about the movie, so we got the bird dude here. I remember him from Once Upon a Studio short. And we got the other characters here. I also remember seeing this lady here in Once Upon a Studio. So I don't know any of these characters' names. Jameson, he is the back of the case. It says, Rescuers and Rescuers Down Under. These are the two movies in one case here. Yeah, now let's open up the case and take a look on the inside for a Blu-ray and DVD of both movies. And now that the plastic off, now all the plastic is off, and now let's open up the case to see what's on the inside. And we say we got have the Rescuers Down Under on DVD here, and on the right, and both Rescuers and Rescuers Down Under on Blu-ray disc on the left here. I think these are going to be interesting movies to see. And like I said at the beginning of the video, if you want to see me doing a reaction video to both of these movies, let me know down in the comments below. And that's about it for today's Rescuers 2-film collection unboxing. And like, comment, and subscribe. And turn on the notification bell if you're new. And more videos will be coming to the channel soon. And I will see you guys in my next video. And peace.